Alright, ladies and gentlemen, thanks for joining me in this video, and we're going to talk about the 2020 Supra. So if you guys haven't seen the video where I revealed it, well, it wasn't really a reveal, I just went ahead and showed you guys. Go click on that eye somewhere up here. But to be perfect, oh, by the way, thanks for all your supportive comments. I really do appreciate it. Some of you guys had some interesting comments, but also, you know, to be honest with you, that was kind of expected. I really do appreciate those comments also. But to be perfectly honest with you, I have not been driving the Supra only because the weather has been crappy. I live in the greater Seattle area, and you guys know that we get a lot of rain here, even though it's freaking June, it's summertime. But the weather is nice today. Oh, that's too bright. I know you guys can't see that. It's about 70 degrees, perfect driving weather right now. But I've been spending the last 3 days after work detailing the car. The car looks absolutely magnificent, so we went and polished the car, coated it. So we polished it with Meguiar's M205, and then we finished it off with some Sonax Perfect Finish. Looks absolutely amazing. And then we coated it with G-Technic Crystal Serum Light with 2 coats of XO V4. Now, as far as these wheels, now I told you guys I am not a fan of these wheels. I hate these wheels. If anyone has a stock set of wheels around, if you guys want to trade, maybe you need a second set for winter or track day, please let me know. Send me a DM. Maybe we can work something out. Now, the back wheels don't look too bad. Yeah, they look pretty good, but the fronts are just absolutely horrible. They're 2 different faces, the front and the rear, because this car does run a staggered setup, but everything else is nice and clean. Engine bay looks really, really good. I even coated the front lip. That was kind of getting, I don't know, that gray color, but yeah, other than that, so we're gonna take the car for a drive. My first real drive. I tried to drive it when I took it to Jeff's house, but it was kind of damp outside. Every time you get on the gas, the back wheels just spin, traction control comes on, just ruins your fun. Now, I know one of the complaints about the 2020 and up Supra is the automatic transmission, and I know a lot of you guys have said that you guys would prefer, oh god, I love those pops, prefer a manual transmission, and I totally agree. This is the first car that I've got that's a manual transmission for me. Well, not for I bought automatic cars for the wife, but for me, as my own personal car, this is the first automatic car I've ever bought. I started driving in, what, 1997, 1998, and every car I bought was a manual transmission, so it's weird. 20 plus years later, god, I love those pops. I actually bought an automatic, so weird. All right, we got a charge. It'll probably rev on me. Oh man, I'm so immature, but I love it. I don't care. So we can find a straightaway so we can do a pull. There we go. Let's roll in from third. Oh wow. That feels really good. Oh my god, those pops. Oh man, this car's pretty quick, not gonna lie. Holy shit. Let's do it again. Let's do it again. Oh, that wind buffeting, I gotta fix that. Oh my god, this car is fucking dope. I'll wait till I get the STI back. That should have more power. Oh man, I love it. I love it. I love it. Jesus, that pulled pretty good. Not as fast as I originally thought it would, but you know, it's still pretty dang good. So it kind of felt like just a little bit faster than my STI on an FP Black with E85. So for all you Subaru owners out there. All right, so let's put this in normal mode. That was sport mode. That's why it's doing all the pops. That's how the car is designed. So let's see if normal mode also has all those pops. See, I think it's mostly in normal mode where the throttle is just very inconsistent. Sport wasn't so bad, but I just noticed now in normal mode, the throttle just, you know, at 10%, which I think is 10%, just goes back and forth between 30 and 40. That's what it feels like. So I don't know. I guess it's hopefully a tune can fix that. Those downshifts should get those pops. Yeah, we still get pops in normal mode. that's weird. Let's go back to sport. Sport mode. Huh. Yeah, so regardless if you're in normal mode or sport mode, I can't talk. We still get a lot of pops. I know that's gonna get annoying after a while. All right, so we're gonna take a couple corners, just give you guys my impression of how this does around the corners. Now, one thing I already noticed off the bat, there really isn't much steering feel with the, with the road and the steering wheel. And the steering wheel feels very, very light. It doesn't feel that heavy. Now, you got a lot better, road feel, especially in the STI, because it has a hydraulic transmission, not transmission, but steering. But, kind of feels like, the Type R, but the steering wheel just not as heavy. The front steering just doesn't feel all that connected, to be honest with you. But I don't know. I'm not going to take this very fast. Let's see, because it's really bumpy right here. Oh. And, that's weird. Of course, in a Type R, we would take that around 60 to 70 miles an hour. I was not going fast at all. Okay, so I am not sure exactly how to launch the Supra, to be perfectly honest with you. Now, I've seen people online just left foot brake it, so we will see how that goes. All right, so let's just left foot brake it. It's pretty quick. Let's see what we got. Did we get anything? I don't know. 0 to 60 verified 4.04. All right, so I'm back on the main road. As you guys saw, that was not a very good launch. Also, you guys probably saw me bang off the rev limiter a little bit, causing me some time, but a 4-second flat pretty much is what I got. I think stock times are like 3.8, so definitely not a good run. We could definitely do much faster than that. So we'll see. I'm not on a prep surface, guys. These are street tires. I'm not on drag radials or anything like that. So I think maybe we can get about a 3.6, if I time it just right and get a good launch. But yeah, not so bad.
How do I do this? To start engine, press brake pedal.
Yep.
What?
Oh, you gotta put it in sport.
Sport. Okay, now it says sport. A circle off. Oh! Oh!
There you go.
I don't care if it pops or not, I still want one. Dude, this is so cozy, dude.
That sounds so
Like, you
good.
talk about cozy engine bays, this one's actually cozy. Have you played with the paddles yet?
Yeah, a little bit.
How do they feel?
That's all right.
Like, the only car that I've actually liked the paddles in, I had like a Maserati Gran Turismo for like 2 weeks. Only car I've ever liked the paddles in. Dude, it sounds so aggressive.
Yeah.
I want
dig it.
one. I want one.
It's so good.
Fuck him then.